Chase Cali with Adams here. Today I'm going to show you how to program the settings on a PermaStarVario drive. So this drive is currently set at a 10-month time interval and based on a 60 cc loop cup. So first thing you're going to want to do is to press the set button until you see the bottom line blink. We're going to go to a 250 cc size. And then in this next area, you're going to see whether you set it for weeks or months. So we're going to go weeks. And then this can be changed all the way up to a 26-week time period. For this application, we will do 6 weeks. And then that's it to it. So this drive is now set to dispense a full 250 cc cup of the grease of your choosing at a 6-week time. So obviously it's going to slowly dispense and accurately dispense grease based on the time setting, but at the end of that 6 week, the loop cup will be empty.